Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Gitanjali.
Good evening.
Okay, children, turn on the video now. Did not send the homework?
Ma'am, sir discusses the worksheet in the class, and according to that, sir gives us the homework.
Okay. And I think you have got your answer sheets as well, right? Everybody has got it after correction. Manasvi, yesterday itself, I think I have shared it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, still didn't get the maths answer sheet.
I might have sent to you. Let me see.
Ma'am, yesterday I was trying to write the exam. I was not able to write it, ma'am.
Why so?
I don't know, ma'am. It was showing some error.
Okay. Hmm. I'll check it, Aditi, but I think, like, if it is, I'll
Uh,
check it. Okay.
Ma'am, if you want, I'll resend you the paper because I have sent it to you from the other number.
Okay. Might be that's the reason it got missed actually. Might be. You mean like this one, right? 23 minus 3 or 23 March, 23rd March. That one. Okay. That is actually the miss one. So I have not forwarded. Might be, that number was not saved with me. Okay. I'll share that. Okay. Hmm. Okay, let's go with the next one now. Turn on the videos, Gitanjali, Kusum, Manasvi, Sudeep. Now, the next experiment, what we are going to discuss is about the light. So yesterday we discussed that uh, I think chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is important for the photosynthesis. Now we will be discussing the light is also important, equally important for the photosynthesis process. Now for this, almost like same kind of the experiment what we did yesterday. Yesterday we discussed about the carbon dioxide is important for the photosynthesis. It's almost like the same experiment. What do we need to do is we have to take the plant. Now here, instead of two plants, we have to take one plant. Kusum, Rashmika, Manasvi, Gitanjali, turn on the video. So instead of two potted plant, we have to take one potted plant, and that potted plant we have to destarch. Now what is destarching? How we will be doing the destarching?
Keeping the plant in the dark room for 48 hours.
Very good, Sudeep. Very good. Keeping the plant in dark for 48 hours. That is called as a destarching. So that plant we have to keep it in the dark for the 48 hours so that the destarching can happen. It means so that whatever the starch being produced, it can be removed through the destarching process. Now, after that, what do we need to do is we have to take that plant out and we have to cover one of the leaf. One of the leaf, half we have to cover it. Okay, suppose this is the entire leaf. The center part of it, we have to cover it with the black strip. Clear? The center part of it, we have to cover with the black strip. And now we have to cover from the both the side, from the front also, from the back also. with the help of the clip, we can do it. Like we are using for the hairs and all, right? We are fixing the hairs with the clips. Same way, the black paper in the center, we can fix it with the help of those clips. Now, after that, what we need to do, we have to give the sunlight to that particular plant. Okay. So first step, de-starching, where we have kept in the dark for the 48 hours to remove the starch. Second one is the covering, which we have to cover with the black paper. Only the center part of it we have to cover with the black paper, and also we have to clip it. Now, why the clipping is important? Because the air will be there, right? The wind will be there. Because of that, it should not blow away. So because of that reason, we have to use the clip. Now, the next one is exposure to the sunlight. For at least for 3 to 4 hours, we have to provide that plant the sunlight. Okay. And after that, now, what do we need to do? We have to do the testing for the starch. Aditi, how we will be doing the testing for starch?
Ma'am, we'll be burning it in, I mean, we'll be boiling it in the alcohol.
Okay. And then after boiling in the alcohol, what we need to wash in?
Ma'am, in the water.
Correct. So that leaf, we have to take it, then we have to wash it in the, first of all, we have to boil in the alcohol to remove the color, to remove the chlorophyll, and then we have to wash in the water so as to whatever the extra kind of the alcohol is there can be removed. And last one now, what do we need to do? The iodine test. Mahanvita, how we will be doing the iodine test? How the iodine?
Ma'am, we boil it the leaf. After boiling the leaf, we add some iodized
Iodine solution we have to put it. So what color we will be seeing?
Bluish brown.
Bluish black. Okay, bluish black we will be able to see. But which side? Children, turn on the video. Rashmika, Gitanjali, Pranati, Manasvi. So we will be able to see the blue-black color on the sides of the leaf. The place where we have covered the center part, on that part we will not be able to see the blue-black color. Why we are not able to see the blue-black color in the center part? Why? The side parts we were able to see, but in the center part we were not able to get the blue-black color when we treated with the iodine. Why so?
Because photosynthesis did not take place and the starch is not present.
Very good, correct. So photosynthesis does not take place and also the starch is not present. But why? What was, they have not got which component, which raw material they did not get it?
They did not get sunlight.
Sunlight. Since the light was not there in that particular, part of it, because of that reason, the leaf did not turn blue-black in the center part of it. Whereas on the other side, it got turned into blue-black color. Clear? Fine. So you have the certain steps in it. First is de-starching. The second one is covering. The third one is the exposure to the sunlight. The fourth one is testing for the starch. And for testing the starch, we have to boil in the alcohol. We have to then wash it with the water. And then we have to do the iodine test. For the iodine test, we should not do anything. Just 2 to 3 drops of the iodine we have to put in the center as well as on the side. Now, why in the center? Just to test whether that part will be changing the color or not. And why in the side? To test that part also whether the color will be changed or not. The center part will not be changing into the blue-black color due to the absence of the light. There the starch was not formed. Because see, for the photosynthesis process, they need the carbon dioxide, they need the water, they need the sunlight, they need the chlorophyll. So everything they are getting, but the light they are not getting because of the black paper. So that's why the blue-black color will not be formed in that. Clear? So the part which was exposed, they will be turning the blue-black color, and the part which was not exposed, they will be turning, and the part which was not exposed, they will be actually absence of the starch, which means they will be brown in color. So no change will be there. Okay, that is how we can conclude that the light is important for photosynthesis process to complete. Am I clear, Manasvi, Midansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Midansh, what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? Should I repeat it again? Yes, Midansh. Rashmika, Mahanvita?
No, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay. Rashmika, Mahanvita, Aditi?
Clear, ma'am.
Gitanjali, Kusum?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Sudeep, Pranati, and Rehan?
Clear, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Fine. just understand this step and learn the steps step by step. You cannot, boil first of all in the alcohol and then you cannot destarch. So steps are important in this experiment. Okay. And same way they will be asking indirect question from this, that what is the first step. They will be giving you 4 to 5 steps and they will ask you to rearrange it. So you can rearrange once only you know the correct step of it. Okay. Now some precautions also we have to take care while conducting this experiment. The first one is we have to properly destarch the plant. It should not be like, we have kept in the place where they are getting the light. So if they are getting the light, then it means the destarching does not happen. So it should be entirely dark place so that they should not get the light, they should not form the starch. Okay, that is what we have to make sure. That is first precaution. The second one is, see, precaution means whenever you do something kind of the experiment, something kind of the danger, you will be doing some kind of activity, you do it. What do you do? They will be also guiding, the coach will be guiding you the precaution. These are the precautions. You have to
Tree diagram.
Yeah, Pranay?
Tree diagram.
Pranay, I can't hear you. So precautions means anything, whatever activities we are doing, before doing that, we should, be careful. So that is first precaution, that we have to properly destarch the plant. The second one is, with the black paper, we have to cover it properly so that they should not get the light. It should not be like the front part you have covered, but the from behind you have not covered. So automatically what happens when behind it is not covered, the light can reach there and the starch formation can happen. So the covering should be done in a proper way. And third one is like, boiling in the alcohol should also be done in a water bath. Water bath basically is a kind of small, bowl-like structure will be there. So in which we will be boiling it. And directly the flame, we should not give it, because if we give flame to the alcohol, what happened? Blasting can happen. The fire can happen. Correct? So alcohol is nothing, but it's a very flammable kind of the material which can actually cause the fire. So we have to be very, very careful with that. Clear, children? Any doubt till here? So this is about second experiment. We'll write this first, and one small experiment is also remaining. After this, I'll explain you about the next one as well. Okay. So start writing, children. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we should start writing the aim of the experiment. Aim of the experiment is to show that the light is necessary for photosynthesis. So this is the aim of the experiment. Now the second one is materials required. So what do we need to have for doing this experiment? We need the potted plant. Yesterday experiment we have taken 2, but here we just need the 1. Then we need the black paper strip, black paper, which we need to cut it into the strip form. Then we need the clips so that we can make the black paper to get adjusted there. Then we need the beaker for the boiling of the leaf in the alcohol. Then we need the alcohol. Then we need the iodine solution also. And then we need a water bath. So basically in the water bath, we will be keeping the beaker, and in the beaker, the leaf will be there. So that is how we have to take the materials. Is it done, children, till here? Okay, okay, do it then.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pranati. Others also completed.
Ma'am.
Everybody has done? Rehan done? Rehan, Sudeep, Medansh,
Yes, ma'am.
Gitanjali.
Wait, 1 minute.
Okay, okay. Pranay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it, do it.
Ma'am, what's the last one?
Water bath. It will be like this, a small bowl-like structure, which is generally made up of the steel and all. Okay, inside this we keep the beaker so that the direct flame does not reach to the alcohol.
I'm done.
Okay, okay, Pranay. Now we'll go to the next one, which is the procedure. Learn the steps of it. The first step of this is the destarching. Under the destarching, what do we need to do is we have to place a potted plant in a dark room for 24 to 48 hours to remove all starch from the leaves. Then the second step is covering. The second step is covering. In the covering, we have to cover a part of one of the leaves with black paper on both sides. So on the both sides, we have to cover it, and we have to use the clips also to block the light. So we have to make sure both the sides we have to cover it, and we have to clip it so that the light should not go inside. While the rest of the leaf should be exposed to the sunlight. Only the center part should not be allowed. Otherwise, the remaining part should be allowed. Remains exposed. So it will be like this. The picture of it will be like this. For example, this is the leaf we have taken. Now in the center part, what do we need to do? We have to cover this part with the black color, and both the side, from the front also, from the back also. And then here the clips we have to set it so that the light cannot enter. Is it done, children?
Ma'am, right.
Okay, corrected. Is it done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, Manvita, Kusum, Rashmika, Pranay.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is
Okay.
there anything after remains?
Remains exposed.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Now, third step is exposure. In the case of the exposure, what do we need to do? We have to place the plant. It should be plant. We have to place the plant in bright sunlight for 3 to 4 hours. After this, we have to do the testing for starch. And this testing will be done. How? What do we need to do for this testing? We have to pluck the leaf. Then we have to remove the black paper. So black paper was there in the center that we have to remove after plucking the leaf. And then we have to remove chlorophyll by boiling it in the water. By boiling it in water and then in alcohol. And then in alcohol. So this is what is the decolorization, removal of the chlorophyll. Then the next one is, the fifth one and the last one is the iodine test. So for iodine test, wash the colorless leaf. Now why we are saying colorless leaf? Because all the green color was actually removed because of the boiling in alcohol. So wash the colorless leaf in water so that if in case any chlorophyll pigment is there, that can be removed after washing. And add a few drops of iodine solution to it. So that is how we have to do the experiment. So first complete this, then we'll go to the observation and conclusion part of it.
Ma'am, can you show me the next page?
This is the next page.
Ma'am, actually, I cannot see after iodine test. What's written after iodine test?
Wash the colorless leaf in water. Wash the colorless leaf in water and add a few drops of iodine solution.
Okay.
Everybody has done? Medansh done?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Done.
And Medansh, yesterday you have not sent the notes. So send it today, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And homework also, Medansh, you have to send the maths homework on regular basis.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, Medansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then after this now, observation. So in the observation, two things we will be discussing. The first one is the exposed part. So exposed part turns blue-black, indicating the presence of starch. And second one is the covered part. So the part which was covered with the black, into that, let's see. So it actually it turns brown, which means no change will be there. So no change, indicating the absence of starch in it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now the last, yeah, tell me.
ma'am, I have another class at 6:50, so can I leave at that time?
Okay, Manasvi, I'll be sending you then, the remaining part of it, so you can just write it, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Others have done this?
Yes.
Okay. Now the next one is the last one, the conclusion.
Please can you show the first slide, ma'am?
This one, the observation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write it, Pranay.
I'm done.
Okay. Now the conclusion. In the case of conclusion, the part of the leaf that received sunlight, which means it was exposed, it performed photosynthesis and produced starch, while the part covered with black paper, no light, could not. Therefore, we can say that light is necessary for photosynthesis. Done, children? So this is about the entire experiment to show that light is necessary for photosynthesis.
Done, ma'am.
Everybody has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranay done? Pranay, Medansh, Kusum, Manvita,
Yes,
Aditi,
ma'am. Done.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Pranati, Jashvita, Sudeep,
Yes,
Rehan.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, a small experiment is there. We will not be writing that. I'll just explain you through the slide. Okay, this one. Okay, now yesterday we discussed CO2 is important. Then we discussed the light is important. Now the next one is the chlorophyll is important for the photosynthesis process. How we can do that? So the aim is to prove that chlorophyll is required for photosynthesis. Now we have to take the variegated leaf. Variegated leaves are those leaves basically from the sides, as you can see in the picture. They will be somewhere white color, light yellow in color, but from the center they will have the chlorophyll. Such leaves are called as a variegated leaf, where the center of the chlorophyll will be there, but on the sides the chlorophyll will not be there. So these variegated leaf, we have to do the destarching. It means we have to keep them in the dark for the 48 hours. Now after that, we have to take the plant and we have to keep it in the sunlight for few hours as usual. Then we need to pluck that leaf and we have to trace that where the green part is there and where the green part is not there. So how we will be doing it? We will be just taking the paper, and on this we will be keeping the paper and just do the tracing. See where the green color comes, just mark that outline, so that after the experiment we can compare whether that part got converted or whether that part has changed the color or not. So pluck a leaf, trace its green or non-green areas on the paper, then dechlorophyllize the leaf by boiling in the ethanol. So it means we have to remove the chlorophyll by boiling in the ethanol. Same way, same process. In the alcohol, we need to boil it. And after that, we have to wash it with the water to remove the alcohol. And then finally, we have to do the iodine test. So once we do the iodine test, what we will be able to see that the part which was green, it will be turning into the blue-black color. And the part which was not green, that will not be turning into the blue-black color. That will remain yellow-brownish in color. So the green part of the leaf will turn blue-black after applying the iodine, which indicates the presence of starch. Whereas the non-green part will remain yellow-brown, indicating the absence of the starch. So that is how we can do the experiment. So these are the materials required. Variegated plant, you have to take it. You have to take the alcohol, iodine solution, water bath, glass beaker, petri dish, forceps, dropper. Everything is same. The only difference is here they have taken the leaf which has only the chlorophyll in the center and not in the sides, which is called as a variegated leaf. Rest, everything remains the same. And what will be the result? Result will be starch formation will occur only in the area where the chlorophyll was present. And what we can conclude through this experiment? We can conclude that the photosynthesis produces the starch only take place in the area of the leaf that have the chlorophyll. Prove that the chlorophyll is important for the photosynthesis. So only the part where the chlorophyll is present, that will be turning the blue-black color. That shows the starch. And that is how we can say that it is important for the photosynthesis process. Clear, children? Any doubt you have with this experiment? See, almost all the three experiments are correlated with each other. The only difference is that in the CO2 experiment, they are using the KOH pellets also. So KOH pellets were used in that experiment so as to absorb the CO2, so that we can check in the absence of CO2 what will happen. When I talk about the light experiment, what they did, they have to test for the light. How they can do that? They can do it by using the black paper strip covering the part of that leaf. Now here they have to test for chlorophyll. Now for that testing of chlorophyll, what they need to do, they have to take a variegated leaf so that they can see the difference where the chlorophyll is present and where it is not present. So that is how the difference of all the three experiments are there. Clear?
Yes,
Any
yes.
doubt, children? Any kind of small doubt, big doubt, or anything, whatever you wanted to ask, you can just ask me now. With this, we are done with nutrition in plants topic. A big topic, but yes. Now, after this, we will be starting from next class onwards about the nutrition in animals, which is again a very, very important part. And it will be also taking time because it has different parts, different organs, different enzymes, different roles, different functions are there. Okay. So children, you can start sending the notes now. Start sending the notes. Meanwhile, I will also send you the today's PDF. And this third experiment, you need to learn it from this given PDF only. No need to write.
I have sent you the notes from different number one.
Sudeep, Pranay, Pranati, Kusum. I have received from Rashmika also, I'm getting it. Okay, Aditi, I'm getting it now.
Ma'am, I sent you my notes.
Yes. I'm just checking it. Gitanjali, yes, I have received.
Thank you.
Pranay, I have sent you the notes, like you can complete the conclusion part also. Mahanvita, I have received. Gitanjali, I have received. Aditi, I have received. Rashmika received. Pranati received. Kusum received. Sudeep received. Okay. So now I think you have the maths class also. So next time onwards, nutrition in animals we will be covering, which is again important part, but we'll make it simple. Okay, children?
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, Pranati. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.